Hey, and welcome to the weekly vlog. This week, well, I'm shooting this from my hammock because it's gorgeous weather outside. The first nice springy, almost summery weather we have. And I wanted to tell you a little bit this week. I started something totally different. I started time-lapsing my day, basically setting up my camera and letting it run all day, basically until either someone called or texted or I needed to use my phone or my phone died. So on Tuesday, I worked on the computer all day, but I hadn't started time-lapsing then. On Tuesday, I did a lot of recording. So you're going to see me actually with my hair combed and in a blue stripy sweater recording both podcast episodes, both of which take about an hour, and then a coaching call with my builders. Then Wednesday, I worked on the Starship all day. You'll see I'm just in my PJs all day in my office, and Jay and I are working on the printables that went with the EO study. You'll see us chatting. On Thursday, I was on the couch all day. What I really love is on Thursday, I figured out how to make it so that you can see more of the floor and more of my dogs and just watch them move their positions all day around me, which I just think is adorable. And yeah, I was basically answering emails all day Thursday, working on coordinating with all of the members of the EO study and getting it all set up. And then Friday, I went for a run. Also went for a run on Tuesday. I think I shot some video of that. Friday, went for a run. All the flowers were blooming. It was so beautiful. I got home. I had tons of energy. So I went to Starbucks to work and shot a little bit about Starbucks. But the downside of time-lapsing is that when you can't see all the time I'm using my phone, because I can't time-lapse and be on my phone at the same time. I'm using my phone to record. So when I decided to call my mom and we talked for about an hour on Friday, didn't time-lapse during that. And when I'm doing Instagram on my phone or checking Facebook, often I'll do messages or Instagram checking kind of between other things. And what's the awesome thing about time-lapsing is that because my camera's in use, I can't pick up my phone. So it's been awesome. I feel like I've been super productive this week because I basically took my phone out of the equation. And I started, after a couple of days, even setting it up while I made my morning cup of coffee to just not even check my phone. My goal is always not to get on my phone until after I've done my coffee and my meditation and my reading, and then I'm ready to start my work day. And I like to even start my work day on my computer and not on my phone, because my phone will just suck me into things that aren't my priorities but are other people's priorities. So it's actually been an awesome side effect, is it's making sure if my phone is time-lapsing, I can't use it. So I've just been using my phone way less often during my work day. I'm still doing Instagram and stuff in the kind of later afternoon. But I'm doing Facebook and Facebook messages when I'm at my computer, just not doing it when I'm not at the computer. So it's a good way to set boundaries if you want to try it. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you enjoy the time lapse, if you want to see more of them. It's really tempting to get dressed or to look better or to try to make everything look nicer while the video is going, but I decided it's better just to see what my real life's actually like. So let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want to see more, and I'll keep going. Tell me if you want more of the dogs. I could always shoot more dogs. Thanks, guys. Have a great week.